So our video for today is pupunta kami sa aking kaibigan. One of my friend here in Australia. So madalang lang yung mga friend ko dito sa Australia, guys. So nag-invite siya. So pupunta kami dun sa bahay nila at dun kami magla-lunch ngayon. So see ya, guys.
Ikaw ang babaeng di matinag, kahit ilan pang pagsubok sa ingay ng mundo. Natutong tumindig, lakasan ang loob, huwag sumuko sa ingay ng mundo.
The Houthis have launched a second attack on Israel involving missiles and drones. Iran
Is it going? What's going?
targeted key military site and is vowing to continue operations in the coming days. Some older Australians now paying 600% more for a pack of fruit smoothies. According to News Corp, some home care providers have been adding extra.
So nandito na kami, guys. Knock knock the door.
You're not going to do a video knocking on the door.
Friend, nagkuan jud siya. Nagtagini? Nag-effort jud siya og kuan. Ay. Yeah. Yeah, may shumay pa siya.
Ako nag-video nga po kay. Ako nag-video.
Wa pa di ka nag-video-video di ay?
Wala, oy.
Oh, mga vlogger jud ba? Basta mag-vlog. Unsa na? Unsa oy? Way pili ta.
Tapos, naapod diri ka ng guwaba. Naibud ka cruiser diri.
Vodka. Ay, inana. Unsa.
Inom ka ni?
Pwede. Uy, grabe, daghanan yung magpuan. Uy, ginoo ko daghan ba, ana? Mainang na yung tanan?
Dili, oy, kanang amo wala nang kanang display.
Display. Butang na display, ana. Nya, pag mo, balhin mo dahil, ano po
Dili, ilaban na ni.
Laban.
Dinami ka ng sariling built-in ba? Kani atong inin mo day.
Sige, bahala ka din na. Kani daw amo imnon, Kadagan kayo sa iyong kapilian,
Kani mahal kani kay kanang katong nag-ano sa ang balay. Ay kanang lupa ba? Mahal niyang gi ano.
Hamay mo ba? Unsa man ni day? Nanay kuan?
Kanang kung magdal kana oh.
Lagi kong nanay kuan ini kanang tanong?
Wala na kay gipatay na kani.
Okay. You mean have a water?
Sak na niya. Oh yeah, you put some water
In the
yeah. And then you have to
litas.
plug in.
See?
Day dal adi ay nini.
What's that?
Kalamansi.
Calamansi? Sige. You have more?
Yeah. There.
It's a calamansi, darling. See? We are plantita.
Look my pineapple.
We love a garden. Look at that,
Yeah.
Unsay imong kuan daday kanang imo lang kini lang dahon ang imong kuan?
Katong ulo-ulo good sa ano pinya.
Pwede din na.
Yeah. I buy in Coles the pineapple and then I'll cut off the head.
Okay.
The top.
Darling, it's okay, like that, no?
Very tropical.
And then
Yeah.
my citrus.
Look at the eggplant, darling,
Little one.
The cute.
Haven't you ate that yet? No, you gotta get this.
Hala, daghan lagi kay tan ay kuan bunga day, soon.
Herbs.
Oh.
Look at my chili.
Look at the chili, ginoo ko
Look
na.
at my chili there as well. I trim it already. Cause it's bushy.
Unsaon man mo pag kuan kanang sana?
Harvest?
Dili ba
What,
kanang
didn't
pag
have
mag-transfer
like
mo?
office
Why wala man mo gi-harvest lagi?
Okay, we already have 6 bags in the fridge. So
Okay.
I'll let them.
May panghatag bi?
Pwede pa mga onya.
Unya na. Okay, mag-harvest dita ini. Oy, complete siya, darling, She have rosemary. What's this?
Mint.
Uy, I like mint. Oh. Pero wala pa ako nagtanong og man kay.
Magpwede.
For example ba, kung magbalhin mo, imo nang
Ah,
pangkwaon.
dili na. Ibilin na. Kanyo lang akong, when we move, only these parts are gonna bring.
Ang lakas sayang cordon, no?
Yeah.
Pwede man siguro na imo ikuan. Kanang,
Dili na siguro na. Mamatay na siguro na.
dili, uy.
I have my lemongrass there and then up there.
See? Ang imong,
pangalan niya is Mark.
Mark,
I have avocado.
I have avocado too.
See? Filipino.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a...
Sweet potato.
Ansa ni Day?
Kanang, lime.
Oh, di na to ikuan. Lime, oo. Oh, she have also... Oh, may kangkong pa siya. Oh, you bring that. Oy, naman na kay kuan.
Oy,
She's
watermelon.
complete, darling, oh.
Bitter melon.
Silagan kay kuan day, snake plant.
Snake plant pa na.
Oh, snake plant ba na?
Dili ka ng sige pangalan.
Alo, ikadagan niya og kuan. Uy, bunga, oh.
Go harvest.
Go.
Snack papaya day.
Oh, papaya.
Strawberry.
Kuan na lang, kamunggay na lang dyan ang kulang, day.
Kamunggay na lang.
Person na, eh. Pagka ng kuan.
Kani mga seeds na ng mango at saka avocado.
Ah,
Hindi
avocado.
ipa-grow.
Ano lagi? Nya.
May
Nya na kay tamnan dito.
na ni garden dito po.
O mo gani
Wala ba
para sa kuan.
O kanang mga manggo diha kani panghatag na namo kung sa wala man.
Ibalik ya.
Pila na. Are you done, darling? Okay, let's go. Kani man mao na akong
It's the plant of growing in pineapple.
pineapple tops.
Nagkuan na ang kanang dito ba kanang sa akong pinaypod na kuan ba inani nagbaligya sila. Wala ko ni believe na wa ko nito na
Dalay ni.
kuan.
You can get that in a
No.
You can get it
Son na oy son na kay ha?
Just put it in a can.
Oh. Okay.
It's already sweet.
Buang man siya. So arrangement. Oy, thank you Juday for inviting us.
Sa mga kay I am thinking if we ate in if
I thought you guys moving as well. When they announced? 3 months. 3 months? Yeah. I'm waiting for an established time. Where do you rent? And he says he's got a plan on the renting. You're trying very uneven. Yeah, it's big. Look at this monster. This one small one, boys, the big one. That's small, that's big. Can you say that? You get the big one. I'll get the big one. Okay. This one. Yeah, this one. Happy. Oh, that's good. Yes. There we go. See, darling? You didn't make a pink?
Give us all of it. So we are lucky. Oh, look at this, darling. Oh, a lot of chili and this. I told you it's nice to have a garden, huh?
You looked
And
really
then-
crazy when you looked up then, no?
Huh?
You looked really crazy when you looked up.
Yeah.
Buwang.
Buwang! Asa na siya doon? Kagbuwang!
Oh, it was nice to have a chili.
He knows about the buang.
You trick
Oh,
everybody.
look at the chili. I have a. Oh, yay.
Welcome to my
Decoration. Oh. That's a Filipina.
Kani, di ba dalon ni mo?
Oo, ibuta nga ako na daan. Isa pila na kani ka kilo day?
Ampo. Mahal ba yan eh?
Isa or kuan? Ang isa ka kilo is 15.